Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, put lock in your phone and again press lock screen button. This is the wallpaper as of now. If you would like to change this wallpaper to any other one, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Then go to wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpaper, and here select any wallpaper. These are only graphical wallpapers that are available within your phone, and select any one. Here I select this wallpaper and unselect home screen so that this wallpaper will be applied only in lock screen, and click on next and click on done finally if it is okay. Yes, wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. See there. Yes, lock screen wallpaper has been changed. If you would like to change to any other wallpaper, again go to the same settings, then go to wallpaper and style, then click on change wallpaper, and here you can choose any video as wallpaper. Okay, I choose this video and click on done, and yes, see the changes in the lock your screen, and this graphical video is available as a wallpaper for lock screen. Okay, if you would like to set your own photo as wallpaper, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again go to the same settings and go to wallpaper and style and click on change wallpapers, and here you have to choose gallery. Okay, choose gallery and select any photo from gallery. I select this photo and click on done, and untick home screen so that it will be applied only in lock screen, and click on next and click on done finally, and yes, lock screen wallpaper now has been changed to what I selected from gallery photo. Okay, lock your screen and see the changes. Lock screen wallpaper has been changed. Okay, if you would like to change back to default wallpaper, again go to the same settings, then go to wallpaper and style and click on change wallpaper and select from the graphical option here. Okay, I select this one and I click on lock screen only and click on next, and if you would like to adjust the screen, yes, here you can do it. Okay, or otherwise click on done finally. Yes, wallpaper has been now restored to default wallpaper. So in this way you can easily change lock screen wallpaper at your desired level. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.